got a big day tomorrow. Got a big day tomorrow. I can't hear you.
What will happen to Afghans stuck in third countries?
What will happen to them?
Will you recognize the Taliban?
No, that's a long way off. That's a long way off. Thank you.